Hi guys, Derek here. Haven't done a bike check in a little bit. I'm constantly getting new parts, so I'll just keep doing updates every now and then. So I'll start off with the front end. I've got stolen cyclone forks. I'm going to switch those out soon because they're not that great. They're just stock forks from the bike. And I've got an Ezra Opus front wheel. It's okay, but the spokes are starting to pop out, so I need to get a new one. I'm going to probably get a different brand though. I have Demolition Momentum tire in the front, 220 by 2.0, and a snafu peg, and I don't know what it's called, and then a homemade hub guard. And then going up here, I have the Sunday Freeze top load stem. I have Amber Bikes bars. I'm not sure what their name is, but I just know the company. I've got Animal Edwin De La Rosa grips. I got Animal bar ends. I got a Verde Cartel Eagle frame. It's 21-inch top tube. Kink Sexton seat on a Fit Bikes post. Okay, I've got Shadow Scream sprocket. Stolen Mob cranks. Premium slim PC pedals. We've got a mechanic half-track chain. And heading over to the back here, I've got a Shadow stun wheel. So that's a Shadow Raptor hub laced to a Shadow stun hoop. I've got Demolition Momentum tire again, same size as in the front. And then another snafu peg. I don't know if you can see that there. There. And then another homemade hub guard. I'm gonna get G-Sport hub guards soon. These are just for now. Valve caps there. Just a little fancy thing. Seat. The Kink Sexton seat is okay, by the way, but they rip pretty easily. Just got a small tear there. But other than that, the tires are great. If you're used to really grippy tires though, don't get these, because they're pretty slick. But yeah, there's my ride, and hope you guys like it. Rate, comment, subscribe. I'm riding for a couple teams right now. Just quick shout out to them, One Industries and all their supporting brands. So that's 661, Diamondback Bikes. What else have they got there? The One Industries clothing line. Shout out to all them. And yeah, thanks for watching.